Is that Danny DeVito?
I think it's in comfort.
Ladies and gents, welcome back to the shop. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another install video. We recently just did the tune on this car and, well, now we're doing the intake. Basically, this is just gonna open up some airflow, increase the breathability. A little what?
Lower IATs.
IATs, internal air temperature.
Intake air temperature.
Intake?
Intake air temp.
Intake air temp. All right, well, acronyms have never been my strong suit. So a quick unboxing. Let's just do a simple install today. You guys can do this in your garage with just a few tools. I'll make sure I list everything on the screen as far as like what you guys need. We got a small team, small army here that's gonna take care of it today, but figured this is a fun mod. We actually already did this exact product on Evan's car, the S5. So here's the exact intake we're installing. It's a 034 Motorsport P34 intake. They have an X34 variant, which is just a carbon fiber version. Same exact performance, same exact install really. So we already did this one, but we have it again because these are the exact same platform. So let's do it. If we unbox this thing, we'll see the housing, the air filter, and then
tube.
tubey guy. Again, pretty simple install. Step one is to make everything accessible. We just got to do a couple little tweaks to make that happen. I think the carbon version, you get this in carbon fiber and
the box.
yeah. Oh, that's pretty easy. What do you do there?
You just kind of wiggle this cap, and then this will pull off.
Cool.
And then you can just pull this out. It goes all the way through here, and
Oh yeah.
as you can see, this is loosening up now. So we got those.
And these are just clamps.
Yep.
So relatively pretty easy install. I appreciate you taking charge on this one.
Yeah, why not? I don't have anything else to do. Making sure my small amount of wrenching skills are intact.
Just gotta keep them sharp, you know?
This gets replaced
Yeah.
with this silicone.
So do we need to reuse those clamps?
Nope, we've got new clamps
Oh,
here
sweet.
for the silicone pipe.
Nice.
I'm being so this doesn't actually need to come apart.
Just pops off as a whole unit.
Yep.
Sweet.
Because we're replacing those things.
Well, would you look at that?
So this goes in. And there's a little hole in the bottom of the intake. So we want to line up this hose clamp with this hole. So then we can tighten it.
I think the next upgrade might be turbo inlet.
Yeah, I need to do that. This is kind of weird if you're a lefty.
So you can tighten it through this little hole.
I'm using my right hand inside the intake to hold the hose clamp in place.
Give the old tug, say it's not going anywhere. That's not going anywhere.
We can pop this in, line up the grommets.
Jeez.
We're gonna retire the gloves.
Maybe we can clamp on, clamp on, and then
Clamp it and then reposition that.
I think that's what we're gonna have to do.
That is tight.
She's on there pretty good.
Yep. Yeah, this just floats.
She's a floater.
It doesn't fit into the grommets, but once this is tightened, it'll be
Cool.
solid.
Yeah, so we're disconnected here, but we've been running this for what, almost a year, no issues, so.
30,000 miles.
She's still on. So we're just gonna put together everything in the opposite order that took it off. So just these two long guys right here and right here. And then we'll pop that guy back on. Pretty much golden. What do you guys think? We do a little intercooler, maybe downpipe, big turbo, inlet. Ooh.
About 10,000 bucks.
Yeah. All the tools, everything you need is going to be in the description, as well as the actual product itself. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. And then 034 intake, as well as some other 034 goodies, are going to be in the description as well. We did just tune this car, like I mentioned, so plenty of stuff that's already going down. I've had this car for like 3 months, and it's already making some crazy power. It's easy to in these cars.
Slide this in. Make sure that stays on.
Cool. Learned that one from experience. Nice.
Yeah, I had it fall off once.
Oh,
and I was like reaching around for it and it was upside down. I just like set it back on.
Sweet. I'll put the performance specs and upgrades and all that on the screen right now so you guys can see exactly what kind of performance we're looking at. I believe it's like 16 horsepower, something good like that. So the intake is in, we are all set there. Again, pretty quick, easy install. Thanks to Evan, he made it pretty simple for us as far as what you need. Just a little T25 action, flathead screwdriver, and then a Phillips head screwdriver. So 034 makes it super easy as far as like the parts. Everything's just like a Lego set. So it's easy for me to figure out. It's probably gonna be the same for you guys. Again, if you have any questions, please leave them below. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, ladies and gents, we got more stuff for this car happening very soon. So stick around, make sure to hit subscribe, hit the like button for the algorithm. It truly does help. Till next time, we'll see you.